Because SCI Cresson had the infrastructure from its days as a large hospital, the state installed high-capacity industrial washers, which can process thousands of pounds of laundry per hour, and commercial steam presses. It wasn't just a place to wash the inmates' own clothes. It was a massive, industrial-scale business that operated inside the prison walls.
Big laundry machines, you could literally crawl inside these.
They processed laundry for other state prisons, state-run mental health hospitals, and even public universities. At its peak, the facility handled tens of thousands of pounds of linens, towels, and uniforms every week. The Commonwealth of Pennsylvania saved millions of dollars that would have otherwise gone to private commercial laundry contracts for its various institutions.
Well, this is a huge laundry machine.